Miss Jillian here, and welcome to Pajamas and Peeps. Oh my! We are celebrating this evening story time at home virtually since the library's closed, as you probably know. So this evening we're going to read our story and then followed by 2 activities, so stay tuned for those. We're going to get started first with our book called Peeps in Pajamas, written by Andrea, Posner-Sanchez, and illustrated by Ron Cohee. What do the Peeps do at the end of the day? They get ready for bed, but I'm not tired. She still wants to play soccer. Some Peeps wear striped pajamas, and some Peeps wear plaid pajamas. I like polka dots. Time for all the Peeps to go to sleep, but I'm not ready. I'm not really tired. Maybe reading stories will help the Peep Chicks get sleepy. The Peeps pick out their favorite books and read them together. Here they are, reading, get ready for bed. Some Peeps fall asleep, but the Peep Chicks ask for more and more stories. I'm still not tired. Maybe a pillow fight will help the Peeps Chicks get sleepy. Pillow fights. Pillow fights are so much fun. Look at all those feathers flying everywhere. Oh my goodness. Pillow fights can also be messy and tiring, and some Peeps fall asleep on the feathers. I'm still not tired. Maybe a dance party will help the Peeps Chicks get sleepy. Wow, the Peeps hop and bop to the music. There they go, hopping and bopping. Before long, the Peeps Chicks is the last one dancing. All the other Peeps have fallen asleep. I'm tired. The Peeps Chicks climbs into bed and falls asleep. Sleep well, Peeps. The end. Hi friends, it's Miss Jillian again. I have an assistant with me now for our activity. This is Lily Bell, my baby girl. She's not sleeping so well, and I decided that she can join us. So our activity, as part of our Pajamas and Peeps Oh My evening story time, is we're going to be making edible Peeps Play-Doh, and it only requires 3 very simple ingredients. Our first main ingredient is a package of Peeps. You can either have the chick Peeps like this, you can have the bunnies, and any flavor will work. So I've decided to use the pink bunnies. So you want to be able to, you want to tear them apart individually like that. I've already done that because it's easier to do with one hand. So put all your Peeps in a bowl, and remember, this activity requires a microwave, so we need to make sure we have our grown-ups use the microwave because things will get hot, okay? Our next ingredient is 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. I think I can. 1, 1.5. 2, it's easier to dump the rest because I pre-measured, for 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And our last ingredient is half a tablespoon of coconut oil. Use my finger there. All right, coconut oil. Next, we're going to microwave these 3 ingredients for 20 seconds. They're going to bubble up nice and pretty. Right here, Bill. She's so excited for this Play-Doh. So after you microwave for 20 seconds, it's going to bubble up. And if you want to add food coloring to make your Play-Doh even brighter, this is the time to do it. I decided not to because I want to see the color it would turn out. So these 3 ingredients, we microwave for 20 seconds. And I have a mix I already did. You're going to take a spoon, I use a wooden spoon, and mix as much as you can. And if you want to get everything off the edges, you can use your hands too. Because after all, it is Play-Doh. We're going to be touching it anyways. And when you're finished, this is our edible Peeps Play-Doh. It's very much like Play-Doh. Remember, though, if you start to see some little brown specks somewhere, don't worry. Those are your Peeps' eyes and nose. So it's nothing else. It's just part of the Peeps. But it's totally edible. And it's actually, in my opinion, tastier than Peeps. And I think, let's see if Lily Bell approves. Okay. What do you think? Is it good? So that's the 3 steps to make our simple, edible Peeps Play-Doh. Hi friends, it's Miss Jillian again, along with Lily Bell. And right now we are going to complete our last activity of Pajamas and Peeps Oh My. We're going to make s'mores out of Peeps. Some of y'all have made s'mores in the past, probably around summertime, like when it gets warmer. But instead of marshmallows, we're going to use Peeps. So all we need are 3 simple ingredients for this one. Also, we need graham crackers. I'm just going to break this one in half with one hand if I can. Close enough, almost half. We're going to use a small piece of chocolate and pick out 1 s'mores. I chose to use the pink bunnies for this one too. So you're going to stack them like that. Add your graham cracker on top, just like that. And microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds, depending on your microwave. Now remember, friends, when we use a microwave, we want our grown-ups to help us, okay? Because things can get hot, including Peeps. So after you microwave for 10 to 15 seconds, Lily Bell does not want to wait. Your s'mores, whoa, look how gooey will look like this. Your Peep fluffs up just like it did with our Play-Doh. Woo, and our chocolate gets very soft. And let's see if Lily Bell approves. Want to bite it? Oh my goodness. Whoa, look at that, Peeps. Oh my goodness. And that's how we make s'mores with Peeps. Good? All right, thank you. Say bye. Thanks for watching.